So the first step is to create a centralized repository of templates digitally for each document that is there in your gold loan flow. So loan agreement, KFS, valuation certificate, sanction letter, so on and so forth. The idea is that this central repository is what will be used across all branches, right? So branches or sub offices should have no control or access to the central repository. They should simply get the templates and be able to use the templates at the branch without any edit access. So once you have this central repository and this process in place, we come to the second step, right? Where you actually run a workflow to generate the final copy at the branch level on a case-by-case basis, right? Because at the central repository, ultimately all you have is templates. At the branch level, you actually need to generate that template for that specific customer, for that specific case. So on screen, we've laid out the operational workflow options you have. Again, this is based on real life implementations. We have implemented both, and these are basically the two ways to do it. In method one, you have your LOS LMS. It takes data. It generates the PDF at its end, right? So it takes the template, takes the data, fills the PDF, generates the document at its end. This document is then passed on to the document execution platform. The document execution platform generates an eSign link and completes the document execution workflow. So in this flow, the templates reside in the LOS LMS, and the LOS LMS is essentially taking the entire burden of creating the document. In method two, the LOS LMS simply acts as a source of data and a collector of data. It collects and passes on data to the document execution platform. The document execution platform in method two hosts the templates. And so it takes the data from the LOS and LMS, fills up the document, generates the final document, and then generates the eSign link and so on and so forth, conducts the document execution workflow, right? So these are the two methods.